Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Rust with Box step by step clearly. To connect Rust with Box, first, ensure you have Rust installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new Rust project using the command cargo new rust_with_box. Navigate into your project directory using cd rust_with_box. Open the src/main.rs file in your preferred code editor. Begin by adding the necessary imports at the top of the file. You will need to import the standard library's box type. Next, define a struct that you want to work with. For example, let's create a simple struct called point. This struct can have fields for x and y coordinates of type i32. Now, implement a constructor for the point struct. This can be done using a function called new that takes x and y as parameters. Within this function, return a point instance using the provided values. Next, create a function that demonstrates the use of box. This function could be named create_boxed_point. Inside this function, use box anew to create a new instance of point. You can utilize the constructor you defined earlier to pass initial values. Return this boxed instance from the function. In the main function of your program, call create_boxed_point. Store the returned boxed instance in a variable. To access the fields of the boxed point, dereference it using the asterisk operator. You can then print the coordinates to the console using println. Compile and run your Rust program using the command cargo run. Check the output to ensure the boxed instance is created and displayed correctly. You have successfully connected Rust with Box through this step-by-step guide. Feel free to experiment by adding additional fields or functions to your struct. This will enhance your understanding of working with Box in Rust. Keep practicing to become more comfortable using Rust's memory management features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.